and welcome to my channel April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for onion paratha. It's an Indian flatbread made from wheat flour and stuffed with a spicy onion mixture. So let's see how it is done. In the first step, we'll make the dough for the paratha. For that, here I have 2 cups of wheat flour. To that I'll add half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of cooking oil. We'll mix it in first. Here I have some lukewarm water. So we'll add the water little by little and prepare a very soft dough. Alright, I have prepared a very soft dough. I added approximately a cup of water. You may need less or more depending on the type of flour you have taken. So onto this I'll add just a few drops of oil to prevent it from drying. So we'll now cover it with a wet kitchen cloth and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes until we prepare the stuffing. For the onion stuffing, you will need around 3 cups of onions, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, half a tablespoon of chopped ginger, some green spring onions, that's optional but it gives a very nice fresh flavor, and also some fresh coriander leaves or cilantro. So make sure that all these are finely chopped. We'll need some spices as well: turmeric powder, cumin seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, and some garam masala powder. So the second step is to prepare the stuffing. For that, here I have a pan heating up with about a tablespoon or 2 of cooking oil. When the oil heats up, we'll add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera, and let them crackle. Next we'll add the ginger and garlic and just saute for a few seconds. Next we'll reduce the heat to minimum and add the spices: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Alternatively, you may add finely chopped green chilies as well, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of garam masala powder, that's optional, and quickly stir it in and immediately add the onions. Saute this over medium heat for a minute. Alright, it's been just a minute. We need not completely cook the onions. We need to retain the crunch. So now we'll switch off the stove and add the spring onions, chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, some salt to taste, water to half teaspoon, and just stir it in. So now we'll let this mixture cool down before making the parathas. So in the final step, we'll start making the parathas. We have the dough that has been resting for about 15 minutes. We'll just knead it once again, just for a minute. From this dough, I'll just take lemon-sized portions. So we'll just roll it until it gets a very smooth surface and then dip it into loose flour and flatten it just to get a nice round shape. And with the help of a rolling pin, I'm gonna roll it into a nice flat disc. So I've just rolled it into a thin disc, as round as possible. Don't worry about the shape. Onto this, we'll spread the onion mixture, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. So you may make this just like a conventional stuffed paratha. Here I'm going to show you a different method. We'll just press it down so that it sticks, and then from the center, with the help of a knife, we'll make a cut till the edge, just like so. So from here, we'll take this cut edge and start rolling. Make it as tight as possible till we reach the end. So we have got a cone like this. The center of the paratha is here. We just place it like this vertically and press it down. If there are any loose edges, just make sure to tuck them below. Flatten it. So you may add some loose flour and very gently roll it with a rolling pin, or you may even flatten it just with your fingertips, just like so. So in this way you get very nice layers in your paratha. Make sure not to make it too thin, it will be very difficult to handle. So now it's time to fry the paratha. Here I have a pan heating over medium heat. To that I'll add just a few drops of oil. So onto the pan we'll carefully place the paratha. So we'll cook it over medium to low heat. Make sure that the heat is not too much. So after about a minute, you see that upper surface has also slightly cooked. At this point, we'll just brush some melted ghee, butter or oil, and then we'll flip it and cook the other side as well. So you can see that it has got very nice golden brown color and the onions which were exposed have also nicely toasted. It gives a very nice flavor. So we just press it down and evenly cook all the surface. Alright, the paratha is cooked from the other side as well. So in the same way we'll prepare the remaining parathas. So the onion parathas are ready to serve. You may serve them with mint and coriander chutney, ketchup or any curry. Today I'm going to serve them with potato and egg curry, the recipe of which I had shared in the previous video. You may find the link in the description box below. This is a very nice combination. So you can see how soft they are and the different layers as well. Hope you liked my recipe for layered paratha with spicy onion stuffing. You may check out my other paratha recipes. The link will be in the description box below, and please do subscribe if you already haven't. Thanks for watching.